What if I told you the most jaw-dropping home being built in America right now costs 15 to 30% less than a traditional house and looks like a luxury architect designed it? We're talking bold, all-black, metal-framed barndominiums with soaring ceilings, open floor plans, and dramatic exteriors that make people stop scrolling and start dreaming. In 2026, black barndominiums have taken over the home design conversation. But most people watching the highlight reels have no idea what they actually cost, what makes them beautiful, or how to build one right. Stay with me. I've got real numbers, real design secrets, and a real build strategy that most channels won't give you. Welcome back. If you're new here, this is where we break down bold, beautiful, budget-smart home design. Straight talk, no filler. Today we're covering 5 key areas. What makes black barndominiums structurally different? The design features that separate stunning builds from disappointing ones. The full 2026 cost breakdown, real build examples including a $150,000 scenario, and the money-saving strategies that actually work. Here's everything you need to know. A barndominium is a metal or post-frame building combining full residential living with utility space under one roof. Barn plus condominium. For years, they were purely practical, red or brown metal shells built for function, not beauty. Then homeowners started asking a different question. Why can't this also be stunning? That shift in thinking changed everything. And it starts with one structural fact that separates barndominiums from every traditional home. No load-bearing interior walls. The steel frame carries all structural weight on the exterior, leaving the inside a completely open canvas. You decide every wall, every ceiling height, every room layout. Coat that steel frame in all-black metal siding, and you get a sharp, confident silhouette that commands attention on any landscape, whether 10 acres in Ohio or a rural lot in Tennessee. Barndominiums are genuinely more affordable to build, and here's why. Less labor. The steel frame goes up fast, cutting labor hours significantly. No load-bearing interior walls means less framing material and less time. They're one of the few home types where a motivated owner with basic skills can handle real structural work. Motivated owners have assembled their own shells and handled interior finishing, slashing costs dramatically. And prefabricated kits arrive pre-engineered, meaning less on-site waste and fewer expensive surprises. The result is simple: more square footage, less money spent, and zero compromise on structural integrity. Here are the real 2026 numbers. Traditional stick-built construction averages $153 per square foot nationally. A standard finish barndominium runs $80 to $120 per square foot. On a 2,000 square foot home, that's a savings of $66,000 to $146,000 in construction costs alone. And going black? It costs nothing extra. The boldest color choice on the market adds $0 to your build. The most popular dark siding choice in 2026, tricorn black metal coating, is available in standard panel packages. You're choosing boldness without paying a premium for it. Let's be honest, black barndominiums are not for everyone, and that's exactly what makes them special to those who love them. The all-black exterior doesn't blend in. It stands alone and makes a statement. But the builds that genuinely turn heads aren't just all black. They pair that dark metal with warm cedar wood accents, natural wood entry doors, stone bases, or warm lighting glowing against the facade at night. That contrast is what makes them beautiful rather than just dramatic. Inside, the open floor plan creates great rooms with 14 to 20-foot vaulted ceilings that feel twice the size of a traditional home. Floor-to-ceiling windows, waterfall kitchen islands, exposed steel trusses. The interior of a well-designed black barndo feels like a boutique hotel you actually get to live in. A tornado rolls through. A wildfire burns nearby. A winter storm drops 2 feet of snow overnight. Steel frame barndominium construction is built for exactly these moments. Quality 12-gauge galvanized frames carry 20-year rust warranties and handle extreme weather that compromises traditional wood framing. High winds, heavy snow loads, fire resistance. And the black metal siding? It hides surface wear, dust, and weathering far better than lighter colors. staying sharp with minimal maintenance. For rural builds where extreme weather and limited repair access are realities, steel durability isn't just attractive, it's essential. Not all black barndominiums look the same. For popular structural styles, classic gable, symmetrical A-frame roofline, sharp and timeless in black. The one that looks like it was always supposed to be there. Monitor style, raised center section with clear story windows, floods the interior with natural light while keeping bold exterior drama. Single slope/shed style. Roofline runs one direction, bold and angular. This is the one dominating design feeds right now in 2026. L-shape or U-shape. Expanded footprint for larger builds, natural courtyard spaces, dynamic exterior that looks different from every angle. All four are available as prefab kits in black metal siding. For $150,000 to $200,000 in 2026, you're realistically looking at 1,500 to 2,000 square feet of finished barndominium, depending on location, finish level, and how much work you contribute yourself. Compare that to traditional construction. The same budget gets you roughly 1,000 to 1,300 square feet, if you can find a builder at that price point at all. In lower-cost states like Texas, Arkansas, and Tennessee, $150,000 on land you already own can deliver a beautiful 1,800 square foot black barndominium. Higher cost markets stretch to about 1,400 to 1,600 square feet. Either way, significantly more home per dollar. The most underrated barndominium advantage is floor plan freedom. A popular and functional approach. Split the footprint into a living zone and a garage or workshop zone onto the same roof. One structure, two completely different functions. Ceiling height changes everything. Standard homes sit at 8 to 9 feet. Barndominiums routinely feature 14 to 20-foot vaulted ceilings. That difference makes 1,600 square feet feel more open than a 2,400 square foot traditional home. Ceiling height doesn't just change a room, it changes how you live in it. For black builds specifically, always place your largest windows on the most prominent facades. The dark exterior absorbs light, so interior brightness comes entirely from window placement. Here's the full, honest breakdown for a 2,000 square foot black barndominium in 2026. Steel shell kit, $25,000 to $40,000. Foundation, concrete slab, $12,000 to $28,000. Site preparation, $5,000 to $15,000. Spray foam insulation, $10,000 to $18,000. Non-negotiable on metal buildings. Without it, you're fighting condensation, extreme temperature swings, and HVAC bills that will cost you more than the insulation every single year. Interior finishing, $40,000 to $80,000. Mechanical systems, HVAC, electrical, plumbing, $20,000 to $35,000. Permits and engineering, $3,000 to $8,000. Contingency, 10 to 15%, $12,000 to $20,000. Total realistic range, $127,000 to $244,000, not including land. Ohio Showcase build, 3,500 square feet on 10 acres. All black facade, wood accent entry posts, 3 beds, 3.5 baths, 750 square foot garage. Final cost, approximately $290,000, about $83 per square foot. For that visual impact and quality, that number is remarkable. Tennessee DIY build, 2,000 square feet where owners handled shell assembly, insulation, and framing themselves. Hired out only electrical and plumbing. Total cost, $163,000. A beautiful home with vaulted ceilings and a 2-car garage for what a traditional builder charges for a 1,100 square foot starter home. The $150,000 scenario, achievable on land you own in a lower cost state, with a mid-range kit, owner-contributed labor, and builder-grade finishes. Realistic square footage, 1,600 to 1,800 square feet. Not a fantasy, a plan. 5 strategies that keep builds on budget. DIY assembly saves $15,000 to $30,000 in shell labor alone. Partial finishing. Build the full footprint, but leave non-essential areas unfinished for later. Simple end walls. Clean gable ends with a strategic window and covered porch cost far less than complex facades with nearly equal visual impact. Never skip spray foam. As covered in the cost breakdown, this is the single most expensive mistake barndominium owners make. Budget it in from day one. Source black siding competitively. Dark Kiner 500 coated panels are an industry standard. You should not pay a significant premium for color. A few names consistently trusted in the barndominium builder community. Mueller Buildings and General Steel are established prefab steel manufacturers with strong residential track records and customizable dark exterior options. Metal America has emerged specifically for residential barndo builds with detailed cost estimating and engineer drawings included. Always request references from completed residential builds, not just commercial projects. Verify your contractor has specific experience with metal building mechanical systems, because insulation and HVAC requirements differ meaningfully from wood frame construction. Quick and important. This video is not sponsored. No manufacturer paid for placement here. The builders mentioned reflect consistent community reputation, not any commercial relationship with this channel. Do your own research, get multiple quotes, and talk to people who have completed actual barndominium builds before you commit. The black barndominium delivers something rare in American housing: extraordinary visual impact, real structural quality, flexible design freedom, and genuine cost advantage, all in one package. The homes that go viral weren't built by people with unlimited budgets. They were built by real families who made smart decisions. Right kit, right contractor, right finish strategy, and the courage to go bold. Plan your layout for how you actually live. Never skip insulation. Choose your contrast elements: wood, stone, warm lighting, intentionally. Budget a real contingency. The black barndominium is not a trend. It's a design movement with staying power, and it's waiting for someone with a vision to build it. That could be you. Here's my question. Drop it in the comments. Would you build a black barndominium? If you're already in a build, share your story below. This community wants to hear it. If this gave you something useful, hit like. It helps this content reach more people who are ready to build smart. Subscribe for new content on bold, budget-smart home design every week. And watch our video on the top barndominium floor plans for 2026 linked right here. It pairs perfectly with everything we just covered. Until next time, build boldly. Make it beautiful. Make it yours.